Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Trick. Have you ever visited a website but it didn't update or load properly? That's where hard refresh comes in. In this video, I will show you how to perform a hard refresh on Windows 11. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser. Uh, Open it. Now, for refreshing your web page, you have to press Control key plus F5. Control key plus F5. Now it will refresh your page and it will clear your all cached files stored on your web page. Another method is Shift plus F5, which works similarly on some systems. So press Shift plus F5. I will give you this code in my description box so you don't have to search it up on anywhere. Press Shift plus F5. It will clear your cache and your website will work smoothly. Or for who uses Mozilla Firefox, you have to press Ctrl Shift plus R. And to hard refresh on touchscreen devices, you have to press and hold the refresh button, then select hard refresh or empty cache and refresh is available. When to use a hard refresh? Whenever a website is not updating or the layout looks broken, you have to do hard refresh, and that's it. How you perform a hard refresh on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.